Welcome. In front of me is a DUOQIN F22 Pro, and today I'll show you how we can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, hold your power button and then select power off from the list. And when the device turns off, hold your power button and volume up at the same time. As you can see, this boots us into boot mode, and in here, using only volume up, you want to make sure that the first option, which is called recovery mode, is selected. You have this little arrow pointing to it, so just make sure that it is all the way at the top, and then press volume down to confirm it. Give it a moment. And once you see this screen right over here, hold your power button and press volume up once, and this will then redirect you to the recovery mode. Now in this mode you will need to use the volume buttons to navigate up or down, so you can use now volume down as well. And power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now going over the options, we have our reboot system now, which takes us back to Android. Reboot to bootloader, which presumably will take us back to the first page we have seen. Enter fastboot. Apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data or mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off. So those are all the options. I'm gonna select the first one, confirm it, and like I mentioned, this will bring me back to Android. And you can see we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.